When you're searching for your new home, location is one of the most important things to consider. Today we're here at our Meon Vale development in Long Marston near the beautiful market town of Stratford-upon-Avon, and we'd love to show you around. We start in one of our most popular house types, the Garnet. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is a flexible space which is the ideal location to call home in this semi-rural development. With floor-to-ceiling windows throughout, 4 bedrooms and a modern kitchen diner, this home has been thoughtfully designed with flexibility in mind, meaning there's something for everyone. And if you prefer to work from home, great features such as superfast internet, BT points and extra sockets are at the ready. And as we exit the home, we see the statement floor-to-ceiling window in all of its glory. And what's more, you can see the surrounding wildlife and greenery, making it the ideal place to call home, especially if you love the great outdoors. Meon Vale is surrounded by open green spaces and woodlands with its very own walking and cycling route which runs from the development right the way into Stratford town centre. Here you can expect to see all manners of wildlife, including wildflowers, butterflies and even fruit trees. This encourages homeowners to get outdoors and enjoy the fresh Warwickshire air. This is a unique location because on this development you'll find a local shop, a leisure centre and a school. These on-site facilities make Meon Vale feel like its own self-contained village. Because of this, there's a strong sense of community where residents meet and interact with each other on a regular basis, whether their children go to the same school together or they attend the same gym classes at the leisure centre. This community is also at the heart of great transport links across the West Midlands and beyond, making it a great place for commuters to settle. Just a few miles away, you'll find the charming town of Stratford-upon-Avon, brimming with independent shops, bars and restaurants, historical attractions and the picturesque River Avon. You're sure to find a pastime to enjoy in Shakespeare's hometown. Why not take a trip down the river on a rowing boat or watch a show at the Royal Shakespeare Theatre? With a home, community and amenities as great as this, we can't think of a better place to settle. To find out more about St Modwen Homes and our Meon Vale development, please click the link in the description below.